Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in prerequisites, clean data, defined goals, and chosen visual types. Once you have 3 core metrics, connect your data sources and validate timestamps and formats. Then, create basic chart placeholders, KPI cards, a line trend, and a comparative bar. Make sure to set consistent naming and units. This avoids confusion later. You will not over-design now. Instead, establish structure and data integrity, so the rest of the dashboard builds on a reliable foundation. Once the framework exists, focus on design rules and data logic. You should arrange KPIs at the top for quick scannability, then place trend charts and supporting tables below. This creates a natural visual path. Make color choices deliberately. Use one highlight color for alerts and muted tones elsewhere. Add interactivity, filters, drill downs, and linked date ranges so users explore without leaving the dashboard. Also, validate calculations and edge cases so values remain trustworthy during exploration. You wrap up by polishing labels, tooltips, and concise annotations to explain anomalies. Then, optimize performance. Pre-aggregate heavy queries, enable caching, and lazy load complex visuals so pages render fast. Test the dashboard on desktop and mobile, and make minor spacing adjustments for different screen ratios. Finally, provide brief user documentation and one troubleshooting tip. If numbers mismatch, recheck source timestamps and filters. Most errors come from mismatched date ranges or duplicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.